Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, and good night, Poke fans. It's Colin. I'm PokeDew. What's up? You're in my lair in which I throw all of my stuff in. All of my collection is almost here. There's some more in the closet, but I wanted to spill it out everywhere else. I only have this little corner, so I wanted to put some seating area here. So I got these two boxes here that will become my new chair. So let's go see what this chair is all about, shall we? Alright, gotta lay it out right now how it's gonna go in there. I'm gonna try and struggle how to do this, so let's take breaks in between. Now, I'm not the largest or the smallest guy. I'm only 6 foot, so I'm a little bigger than average, but like sitting on it, it feels okay. There's just no neck comfort in it, so it's a little uncomfortable after a while, but overall, very nice. If you can do something with your head, put a pillow behind it as well, supplement. But other than that, pretty solid buy if I do say so. Definitely gonna be happy with this guy and use it as much as I can, even though it's super hot right now. Alright, thank you very much for watching, guys. Short little video for you. Just wanted to check this bad boy out. I mean, he's not too big, but I mean, it's good for one person. That's it. Thank you very much, guys. See you. Bye.